All right, so we've got the Kayak storage hoist overhead pulley system, and it's for canoes, ladders, all sorts of things. We actually use it for our kayaks. It holds up to 125 pounds. We actually normally park our cars right here, not quite, a little bit underneath. So, it could obviously fall into our cars, but it locks into place. There's no worries. You don't have to worry about anything. It also has the rubber hooks. That way, whatever you're storing up there, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged or scratched up or anything like that. So I'm just going to do a little quick show you how easy it is. It's very easy to install. Locks into place. To unlock it, you basically just pull both of these down, and then you're going to want to release one of these at a time. So that comes down, then that'll come down, and then that'll come down more. And I could lower it all the way down if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that right now, but then in order to raise it back up, you just pull it back up. And once it gets into place, I'm going to get this side up a little bit higher, and then it locks into place again. So, and then we're good to go.